Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to change themes in Windows for free or download desktop icons. As you can see that this is the given desktop background, and if I want to change I can just click on next desktop background and wallpaper changes automatically. So you must be wondering, how do we do that? Okay, it's very easy and it's available for free for everyone who is using Windows. Okay, so I'm going to download some more background themes for you and you can see. Okay, first click on the start menu button, then go to settings. Okay, then you have to click on personalization. Okay, once you click on personalization, just click on themes. Okay, and here you can see that some themes are already installed, but if you want to download the themes, just click on browse themes. See, there are many themes available like night skies, premium, northern lights. So suppose let's download this theme, the northern lights, and let's see how it looks. It's loading. So these wallpapers are available in this, you can see. These are all pretty good, I think. See, and you can set the themes in which wallpaper changes automatically after certain period of time. It's downloading. So rating is also good, you can see. These are, I think, pretty cool. The size is 11.1 MB. So it's download. I don't know. It's download slowly here in this Windows. So let's see how much time it will take. It's still downloading. Only yeah, it's now it has taken up the speed. You can see 5.06 MB downloaded. So just wait for a few seconds and it will probably gonna download into your PC. Okay, till then we can like just see the wallpapers available. Pretty cool, huh? See, nice man, nice. Okay, it's downloaded. So now we'll click on the open button. I think here it is, northern lights. This was the northern lights, and let's see the background. Okay, it has changed the theme. See, and these all wallpapers are for free. And one more thing I want to tell, that when you will change the theme, it will uh, change your whole desktop setting into a light mode instead of dark mode. So you can again turn the dark mode on with the same wallpapers. Turn on dark mode for apps. Okay, so here it is light. If you like light, you can keep it, else you can keep dark. See, okay, and here you can also change the font colors as well. If you see, I think default color is the best. Okay, I will cross it and see, it's looking very good. Wow, see, all types of wallpapers you can see. To be honest, these are real, and I wish I could go there once a time. If I get a chance, I would definitely go and visit and see the northern lights. It will be inspiration to all of us. See, these are pretty cool wallpapers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.